I'm going to show you how to just open a file really quickly. I'm going to show you how to edit the pictures quicker so we're not erasing and taking a lot of time. I found a quick way to do that, so I'm opening a picture right now. I'm going to crop it, and I'm going to adjust the size really quickly so I can show you. Okay, I did that, and I'm going to probably adjust the size here. Next, we go to Image, Adjustments, and then we go to Replace Color. It's all the way at the bottom. Then you click on a spot you want to remove to become white or black. Click on it. And I usually put it to 77, the fuzziness. And I'm going to show you how it goes all the way black, and you can put it all the way white. Either one. Works on black and white pictures, clearly. And see how I couldn't get everything. You can keep using the tool to replace your color if you have other, if it's more darker or something. And so like that I couldn't do because it erased the beads a little bit. So I'm just going to do that. Next I'm going to show you how to just lighten up the photo so the beads can show, and I'm just erasing this little background here because we don't need that in the picture. But that's pretty much it. Nothing else I did. It takes less time editing the photo. That's it. And you just save it, and we're great. I'm just going to save it as done for now. But it takes less time.